This is my hair fresh out of the sew-in, and I'm going to go ahead and jump in the shower, and I'm going to just take some cheap conditioner, coat it with my hair as you see here, and then I just started combing it out to help with the detangling process. And that was the shedding that I got from just now, but I had twice as much when I took out the braids, and then I went ahead and just washed and conditioned my hair. It's the first time I ever used Mielle Organics, and I loved it. I'll link the product down below. And I literally put my hair on 4 braids that night, and when I woke up in the morning, my hair looked like this, so I was shook. I'm definitely going to try a braid out again. I just felt like I needed some rods at the end, but I loved it, and I love the product. This is a few days later, and I decided to go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm going to use the Pantene shampoo because that's what I found downstairs at the local supermarket, and this is me fresh out of the shower, washed hair, and then I am going to go ahead and deep condition my hair, and I'm going to use the same Mielle Organics and just put it all over my hair. And because I do not have a hooded dryer, I'm doing this instead, where I put a plastic shower cap over my head, and then I am blow drying the shower cap. I don't know if it actually works, but hey. So once I rinsed it all out of my head, I smelled my hair and it smells so good, but I detangled it and just put it in 4 braids, and I'm going to start blow drying. I used the Chi heat protectant, and I really like it, and it took me a little bit longer to blow dry my hair, probably about 30-35 minutes, but I tried to get it as straight as possible because I knew my flat iron was not really going to straighten too much. But this is my hair after it's been blow dried, and that's just me rambling about something. I don't know. I cut all the audio out because I felt like I just rambled the whole time and nobody hears. But I went ahead and took really tiny sections as opposed to larger sections, since I knew the flat iron wouldn't get my hair too straight. And this was the back of my hair, and it low-key looks a little lit, and it grew quite a bit, so I'm really happy about that. I do desperately need like a professional trim though. But now onto the rest of my head, and I am low-key very surprised at the results because I did not think my hair would get this straight. But I think the fact that I took really tiny sections helped, and I passed the flat iron at least 4 times through each section of hair, which I wouldn't normally do, but I felt like it was necessary. And also the flat iron was on the highest heat, which was 230 degrees Celsius, so I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit. But this is my hair as it's all been flat ironed, and like I said, I really do need a trim, but that's the results. And then I added just some light curls to my hair to kind of style it, but those curls were weak. Like, I need a curling iron or something to make the curls actually look more legit, and that's just me rambling about something. I think like the results were nice, but they could have been better, and I didn't feel like my hair was as shiny as I liked it. But there you go, and into the next video. Ciao.